What did you do? Did you push the button again? There, you did it. You did it. You're good. Good job. Which one do you think it's going to be, Callahan? Oh, it's here. Here we go. Where are we going? We have to wait for Nana. Here comes Nana. Going to the beach. Callahan, where are we going? Hold on. Callahan, where are we going? Where are we going? To the beach? It's very serious. Really? No, don't do that. It makes Nana nervous.
Aaron, please.
Yeah,
I don't care.
Just relax. Relax. Nothing can happen.
I don't
Nana gets
care.
very nervous.
I don't care.
Callahan
care.
pushes the button.
I don't care.
Okay, Callahan.
if it's
Show
a
us the way
doorbell.
to the beach. No, this way. This way, buddy. This way. Come on. Let's go this way. Come on.